have no green papaya, it does mean you cannot cook papaya salad. But of course, you cannot cook papaya salad, but you can cook something quite like papaya salad.
Come on and cook with me at Scenic. Come on and cook with me.
Hi, I'm Gary, cooking ambassador from Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. I'm sure everyone knows papaya salad, but you know, in your country maybe you have no green papaya. But if you have no green papaya, it does mean you cannot cook papaya salad. But of course, you cannot cook papaya salad, but you can cook something quite like papaya salad. Today, I'm gonna show you if you have no green papaya, what you can cook. Okay, today I show you how to cook mixed fruit salad. That means you can find everything in your garden or in your kitchen and do something like papaya salad. So, my kitchen, today we have apple, we have pear, guava, and rambutan. Okay, I mentioned about the rambutan first. Rambutan is not lychee. This is rambutan. Is hairy one. Okay, and how to eat it. Lychee is sweet and sour, but rambutan is only sweet. How to eat? Bite? No, you have to take off the skin first. Use your finger and take like this. Take off the skin and like this. Okay, it's sweet. And now is rambutan season. Okay, so we use the fruit in our season. Okay, and this ingredient same like papaya salad: long bean, lime, tomato, palm sugar, fish sauce, garlic, and chili. Okay, start to cook. Okay, so we start with garlic. Okay. Take off and put in the water, and then smash to bring out the flavor. Garlic, long bean. If you have no long bean, you skip. But today, I use everything in my garden. This and then break. Then chili. You know, red and green, which color hotter? But you can see up my link here. You will know which color hotter, and then you can choose for your salad. Okay. For me, I take both. One red, one green. No. Two green, one red. Okay, I put 3 chilies, and then smash again. And then palm sugar. 1 teaspoon of palm sugar. Like this. Okay. Palm sugar. And then fish sauce, about 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. And then lime. Like this, and then we chop everything. Guava.
We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna cook right
For the fruit, we chop like a cube, bite size like this. You see, we chop bite size. Apple. Don't forget we chop in cube, bite size. And anything you put and you can mix together. Okay, and then peanut, a palm. If you peanut allergic, just skip it. This one, I taste first. And then I will show the student from that group to try. I try first. More food. More food. You're gonna cook papaya salad, but if you have no sweet papaya, you can use this salad. Any fruit mixed together. Everyone please taste. Oh, give me the spoon. Let them taste. Try first and take a break. Yeah. Take a break. Okay, you can try and you can do that at home. Apple, guava, what else? Pear. Tomato. Peanut, yeah. Same like papaya salad, but we skip the papaya. Yeah, just would like to show you if you at home. No one say anything.
It was not what I expected. Like it's more peanutty and like salty than I think I could.
Yeah. Because when you do a papaya salad, it has no flavor.
Yeah.
Okay, but if you cook half there, you will get a recipe for papaya salad as well. Okay, this one for you guys. Try to do. Okay, bye bye.
Say